Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Royal. In today's video, I'm going to do something special, but before you do that, please do well to subscribe. So guys, first off, I'm going to start with packing and combing my hair all back. I thread to just pack my hair this way. I'm going to use my petals gel, of course, to just lay down my hair to stay slicked in properly. So I'm just going to be doing this whole process all around. So make sure you just make it lay down. Then I'll use my bristle brush and just comb for the final finishing till I have the really defined, slicked, laid down hair. I had to use my petals gel to just put it at my edges because I needed to style it. I applied the petals gel on my edges, then I'm styling it like so. And I'm just going to do this up until the very end of my hair. Pack some of this, you slick it in. If it feels quite stiff, you use your petals gel and just apply it. Now this can only be smooth if your hair is relaxed or you have a naturally soft hair, but you can still do this with other options. For example, you can use a Kima edge control gel. You can use any kind of edge control gel if you're a natural girly, and it will still work well for you. So I'm going to do this for the other part as well and just make it stay slicked in properly. I had to do it off camera because, yeah, we get it. So first, I just need to tie this hair properly. I mean the tip of the hair, so it will give me what I want. But don't tie yours too tight. I had to do that because it felt like it was losing. And then I just make sure I lay it down, do the whole final finishing, as you can see. Then I went off camera. Actually, before I started, I actually made this braid myself. I had to just get simple attachment, braided it because of what we're doing. So this is a half wig I made, literally. You can use any wig of your choice. And I just oiled it. And as you can see, this is all the pin that I'll be using for this. I'm just gonna apply this. It's actually a really simple hairstyle, guys. Very simple, easy, protective hairstyle that you can do anytime, and you would love the outcome. You would love it. It's really simple. This hairstyle took me only, guys, at most 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes to make. So I used a bobby pin to secure it at the back and at the right and left, just close to my ear, so it could stay firmly, right? So I'm just going to bring out a little strand of this and a little strand from the other end as well. Then I tie it. Then I'm going to use my braided hair already. I made sure it's really stayed in properly. Then I had to just braid, guys. So as you can see, this is the idea and this is what I have in mind. I'm just going to use this and apply it. I just put it in there. It's just like a crown hair thing, more like an accessory. And I'm just going to tie it at the back of my hair. Then I'll use a bobby pin to secure it. Yeah, I love this look. It came out so well. I love how it came out. And I actually feel like a literal goddess. Now I feel I am a literal goddess. So I had to use another bobby pin to secure it up front. So as you can see, so it will stay even more firm. That's all about this. Oof, yeah, baby. I know. So that's it for the look. Literally, you can just finish up. So I just had to do this extra here and here as well, just so make it stay slicked properly and all. So let me know what you think about this hairdo, guys. Something happened. I actually filmed an outro. I did film an outro, but I mistakenly deleted it. I'm so sorry, guys, but thankfully I made this, so I just had to video myself this way for you guys to see the final look and the finishing of the look with my makeup on. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're trying this hairstyle. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.